Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be doing the last seven parts of the question that we had left in the previous video of the exercise 5.1 of AP. So here are the seven parts that we are going to do in this video. So now let's start with the solution. So we had to start with the ninth one, and for it we had 1, 3, 9, 27. Again, as you know, in order to check if it's an AP, you subtract the first from second and second from third. So 3 minus 1, the first thing, and second would be 9 minus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 9 minus 3 is 6. And 6, 2 and 6 are not equal. Therefore, this does not form an AP. So this is what we are going to do with the rest of the questions also. For 10th question, we have A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Again, we'll check difference between 2A and A and the difference between 3A and 2A. So 2A minus A is A and 3A minus 2 is also A. So you are just going to add an A in the subsequent terms. So we have to find the next three also. So it is 4A, next 5A, 6A and 7A and so on, 8A, 9A, and it would continue forever. Now let's move on to the 11th part. For the 11th part, you have A square, A cube, A to the power 4 and so on. A square, A to the power 3, A to the power 4. And now let's check whether the differences are equal or not. Here you have A square minus A, and here for the second one you have A cube minus A square. And if you check for these values, these are not going to be equal because as you can see, you have a multiplicative A to all the terms. When you multiply A with A, you get A square. Multiply A with A square, you get A cube. So this is geometrical progression. This is called GP. And this is not an AP. So it is not an AP. Now let's move on to the 12th part. So for the 12th part, we have root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. Root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. Now let's check. 2 can be written, root 2 can be written as root 2, just the same thing. But root 8 can be expressed as 2 root 2. Root 18 can be expressed as 3 root 2. Root 32 as 4 root 2. And as you could have guessed, when you subtract root 2 out of a 2 root 2, you get root 2. Similarly, when you do it for 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, again you get a root 2. So you just have to add a root 2 to the next terms to get the next terms of AP. So in order to get, here we had 4 root 2, so next would be 5 root 2, 6 root 2 and 7 root 2. And when you just give that 4 inside this root, it becomes 16 into 2, that is 32, it was as it is. 5 into 5, 25 into 2, that is under root of 50. 36 into 2, that is under root of 72. And 49 into 2, that is under root of 98. So these were the next three terms of the AP. Now let's move on to the 11th part. So 13th part. So for the 13th part, we have root 3, root 6, root 9 and root 12. Again we'll check for the difference. Here you have root 6 minus root 3 and here you have root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 is 3 minus root 6 and here you have 6 minus root 3, and as you can see, the differences are not equal. This means that it is not an AP. Let's move on to the 14th part. So for the 14th part, we have 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square. Now let's check for these values. You just have to write the squares. 1 square 1, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49. We have to check for differences. 9 minus 1, 8. 25 minus 9 would give you 16. And here 45 minus 29 would give you 24. 8, 16, 24. This is not an AP. So here it is not an AP. Now let's move on to the 15th and the last part. Here you have 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. Now let's check what is, just write the value of these squares. 1 square 1, 5 square 25, 7 square 49 and 73. When you subtract 1 out of 25, you get a plus 24. 45 plus 24, 49. 49 plus 24, 73. This means that it is an AP. So now you can write all the next terms. 73 plus 24, 4 plus 3, 7 and 97. Similarly, you can write the next terms as 97 plus 24, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 carry, and here you have 1 to 1. And the next one would be 145. So this is the solution for this very long question, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new exercise with a new solution. Till then, bye.